From the sprawling digital blueprints to the meticulously polished finish, the Mercedes-Benz E-Class embodies a promise, a fusion of relentless innovation and timeless luxury. It's more than just a car, it's a testament to what humanity can achieve when precision meets passion. Every curve, every stitch, every integrated system speaks to a profound dedication to engineering excellence, inviting us to peer behind the curtain of its creation. What seemingly impossible challenges did engineers overcome? How does this pinnacle of automotive design emerge from raw materials? Let's unlock the secrets of its birth, proving that with vision and commitment, anything is possible. Before a single piece of metal is cut, the E-Class begins as an idea, meticulously sculpted through design philosophy and engineering brilliance. Teams of visionaries iterate, refine, and challenge the status quo, pushing the boundaries of aesthetics and aerodynamics. Every line is intentional, every surface purposeful, reflecting a commitment to form that doesn't compromise function. This foundational stage is where the spirit of innovation is most potent, daring to dream beyond the conventional and envisioning a future where luxury and performance seamlessly intertwine. It is here that potential transforms into tangible design. The E-Class's journey harnesses the power of digital simulation to an unprecedented degree. Engineers employ advanced CAD models and virtual reality to test thousands of design iterations in crash scenarios long before physical prototypes exist. This meticulous virtual development significantly reduces development time and material waste, proving that foresight and digital prowess accelerate innovation. Imagine the complexity, simulating countless variables, perfecting every millimeter in a virtual realm. This commitment to digital mastery ensures that when physical production begins, the design is not just good, but optimized for absolute excellence, pushing the limits of what's possible. The physical creation of an E-Class truly begins in the stamping shop, a realm of immense power and precision. Giant presses, weighing thousands of tons, transform flat sheets of high-strength steel and aluminum into intricate body panels. Each press cycle is a symphony of force, shaping metal with micrometer accuracy, ensuring every component fits perfectly later. This foundational stage demands unwavering control, preventing even the slightest imperfection that could compromise the final vehicle's integrity. It's a powerful reminder that monumental achievements often start with the precise shaping of fundamental elements, setting the stage for what's to come. In the body shop, a mesmerizing ballet of robotics unfolds. Hundreds of automated arms work in perfect synchronicity, welding and assembling the E-Class chassis with breathtaking speed and accuracy. These robots apply thousands of spot welds, each one strategically placed to create an incredibly rigid and safe passenger cell. This level of automation isn't just about efficiency, it's about achieving a consistent, unparalleled quality that human hands alone cannot replicate on this scale. It pushes the boundaries of manufacturing, showcasing how advanced technology empowers us to build with a consistent perfection, forming the unyielding core of the E-Class. Beyond conventional spot welding, the E-Class incorporates advanced joining techniques like laser welding, creating seamless, incredibly strong bonds between panels. This method allows for finer tolerances and a cleaner aesthetic, contributing significantly to the vehicle's structural integrity and crash safety. The precision required is astounding, demonstrating a mastery over materials that ensures every joint is not just secure, but also optimized for performance and durability. This commitment to superior bonding techniques reflects a manufacturing philosophy that leaves no stone unturned in the pursuit of absolute safety and resilience, reinforcing the E-Class's inherent strength. The E-Class undergoes an elaborate multi-stage painting process, a true art form in itself. Each vehicle passes through extensive cleaning baths, followed by electrophoretic dipping to prevent corrosion, and then multiple layers of primer, base coat, and clear coat. This process ensures not only a flawless, vibrant color but also exceptional durability and resistance to environmental elements. It's a testament to patience and meticulous attention to detail, transforming raw metal into a gleaming masterpiece. This precise layering is what gives the E-Class its iconic luster, a finish designed to endure and inspire admiration for years to come. Following the painting process, the E-Class undergoes rigorous quality checks to ensure a mirror-like finish free from any imperfections. Highly trained specialists scrutinize every inch under specialized lighting, identifying and rectifying the tiniest dust speck or blemish. This dedication to visual perfection underlines Mercedes-Benz's unwavering commitment to luxury standards. It's a profound demonstration of how human expertise, combined with advanced technology, achieves a level of polish that truly reflects excellence. This painstaking process guarantees that every E-Class delivered radiates elegance and precision, a testament to uncompromising standards. The engine, the very heart of the E-Class, is assembled in a dedicated, pristine environment where precision is paramount. Skilled technicians meticulously combine hundreds of complex components, often by hand, using specialized tools and diagnostic equipment. Each engine is then rigorously tested on a dynamometer, ensuring it meets exact performance specifications before it's integrated into the vehicle. This stage exemplifies the blend of human craftsmanship and advanced engineering, crafting a powertrain that delivers both exhilarating performance and unwavering reliability. It's an engine built not just for power, but for a lifetime of exceptional driving. The E-Class assembly line represents a masterclass in collaboration between human ingenuity and robotic efficiency. While heavy lifting and repetitive tasks are handled by advanced automation, complex integrations and delicate finishes often require the nuanced touch of skilled artisans. This strategic division of labor maximizes both speed and quality, proving that the most advanced manufacturing isn't about replacing humans, but empowering them. It's a powerful model for the future, combining the consistent strength of machines with the adaptable, problem-solving intelligence of people, showing what can be achieved when we work together towards a common goal. Stepping inside an E-Class is an experience in crafted comfort, a direct result of meticulous interior assembly. Premium materials like fine leather, natural wood veneers, and polished metal accents are fitted with unparalleled precision. Each component, from the dashboard to the door panels, is assembled with careful attention to alignment and finish, ensuring a harmonious and luxurious cabin environment. It's here that the E-Class truly distinguishes itself, offering a sanctuary of sophistication. This dedication to interior perfection transforms mere functionality into an immersive experience, inviting occupants to embrace luxury in every journey. The E-Class manufacturing process is a marvel of logistical coordination, operating on a sophisticated just-in-time (JIT) delivery system. Thousands of parts, sourced globally, arrive precisely when and where they are needed, minimizing inventory and maximizing efficiency. This intricate ballet of supply chain management is critical for a luxury vehicle with so many customization options. It's a testament to meticulous planning and real-time data, ensuring that the right components are always at hand for a seamless assembly process. This optimized flow of materials is a silent hero, enabling consistent production and timely delivery, pushing the boundaries of global coordination. Modern vehicles are as much about software as they are about steel, and the E-Class is no exception. Thousands of lines of code govern its sophisticated infotainment, driver assistance systems, and connectivity features. Technicians meticulously install and configure these complex electronic modules, ensuring seamless integration and flawless operation. This critical stage transforms a mechanical marvel into an intelligent, connected companion, reflecting the cutting edge of automotive technology. It's a powerful reminder that the future of transportation lies not just in hardware, but in the intelligent fusion of digital and physical worlds, continuously evolving. Quality control at Mercedes-Benz is not just a final check, it's a philosophy integrated into every single step of the E-Class manufacturing process. From raw material inspection to sub-assembly verification, hundreds of checkpoints ensure adherence to the highest standards. Laser scanners detect microscopic deviations, acoustic tests identify potential rattles, and specialized cameras verify every component. These unseen guardians tirelessly work to eliminate even the slightest flaw, upholding the brand's reputation for impeccable quality. It's this relentless pursuit of perfection that elevates the E-Class beyond mere transport to a symbol of unwavering reliability and excellence. Before an E-Class leaves the factory, it undergoes a final, exhaustive series of tests, including dynamic road tests on a dedicated track. Expert drivers assess handling, braking, acceleration, and the seamless operation of every system, replicating real-world driving conditions. This final validation ensures that each vehicle not only meets but exceeds the exacting standards of Mercedes-Benz, providing peace of mind for future owners. It's a moment of truth, where all the precision, all the craftsmanship, and all the technology converge into a flawless driving experience. This comprehensive final assessment is the last hurdle, ensuring perfection. Manufacturing an E-Class today integrates a strong commitment to sustainability. Mercedes-Benz factories employ energy-efficient processes, utilize renewable energy sources, and implement advanced recycling programs for waste reduction. The goal is to minimize environmental impact while maintaining uncompromising luxury standards. This dedication to eco-conscious production shows that achieving greatness doesn't have to come at the expense of our planet. It's an inspiring example of how industry leaders can innovate responsibly, proving that luxury and sustainability can not only coexist but thrive together, shaping a greener future for manufacturing. The Mercedes-Benz E-Class, born from German ingenuity, enjoys a truly global reach, sold in over 100 countries worldwide. This widespread presence underscores its universal appeal and the efficiency of a sophisticated distribution network. Each year, hundreds of thousands of E-Class vehicles embark on journeys to discerning customers across continents, cementing its status as a global icon of luxury and performance. This extensive market penetration showcases the power of a brand built on trust and consistent quality, inspiring a vision of global connection and shared pursuit of excellence. The E-Class touches lives, crossing borders and cultures. Mercedes-Benz continuously invests billions in its manufacturing facilities and R&D, ensuring the E-Class remains at the forefront of automotive innovation. This unwavering commitment to capital expenditure drives progress, from advanced robotics to sustainable technologies, pushing the boundaries of what a luxury car can be. It's an investment not just in machinery, but in the future of mobility and the potential of human ingenuity. This forward-looking strategy ensures that the E-Class will continue to evolve, setting new benchmarks for generations to come, proving that true excellence is a journey, not a destination. Over decades, the E-Class has consistently evolved, adapting to new technologies and changing demands while maintaining its core identity of elegance and innovation. Each generation builds upon the triumphs of the last, integrating lessons learned and new possibilities discovered. This continuous evolution is a powerful metaphor for personal growth, never settling, always striving for better, transforming challenges into opportunities for refinement. The E-Class's journey is a reflection of human progress, a constant push for perfection that inspires us to reconsider our own limits and aspire to greater heights in every endeavor, forever moving forward. The journey of the Mercedes-Benz E-Class, from concept to highway icon, is a profound narrative of human potential. It shows us that with vision, precision, relentless dedication, and the courage to integrate cutting-edge technology with timeless craftsmanship, extraordinary things are not just possible, they are achievable. This isn't just about a car, it's about the spirit of excellence, the pursuit of perfection, and the power of collaboration. What challenges are you facing? What dreams seem out of reach? Let the story of the E-Class inspire you to apply the same rigor and passion to your own aspirations. Unlock your own potential and build your legacy, one precise step at a time. The road ahead is yours.